What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, we're going to talk about the Mix Fold 2 from Xiaomi and also the Galaxy Z Fold 4 from Samsung, because both phones have just been announced and both phones will be out in a matter of weeks. And the Mix Fold 2 has been getting a lot of hype in this train. It's been pushed really hard from a lot of tech media outlets, including myself, saying that that phone is really sexy and maybe even better in ways than the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and it comes in at about $400 cheaper as well. But I came up with 5 good features and reasons that the Galaxy Z Fold 4, things it has that the Mix Fold 2 does not. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. The first thing that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 has that the Mix Fold 2 does not is water resistance. So the Galaxy Z Fold 4 does not have dust resistance, and neither does the Mix Fold 2, but the Galaxy Z Fold 4 does have water resistance, meaning you can put it into about 5 feet of water for 30 minutes. That's what it's rated for. It might last longer than that, but it's rated for 5 feet, 30 minutes, and that's freaking good, especially when you think about a foldable phone. And I don't know if any other foldable phones on the market are even water resistant at all. And like I said, the Mix Fold 2 is not. So that's, it's obviously, I'm not saying that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is just a better overall phone or the Mix Fold 2 is a better overall phone in any of this stuff. But ultimately, the things I'm talking about are going to be features that the Z Fold 4 has that the Mix Fold 2 doesn't, and water resistance is one of them. Number 2, not really a huge deal, but Gorilla Glass Victus. That's what you have on the Mix Fold 2, which allows for the glass to be more durable and scratch resistant. But the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 has Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. So it's more scratch resistant and more durable than just regular old Victus. Now, how much more? I don't personally know, but it's just something, when you're picking and choosing, sometimes it gets a little thin, and this is one of the thin ones. And Victus Plus, obviously, you want more durability with your glass on your screen of your phone, especially on these folding phones. And the Z Fold 4 has that, and being more scratch resistant and durable, again, it's definitely a plus. Next one kind of shocked me. It's number 3, and that is 4K video on the front camera. So on this front camera, Galaxy Z Fold 3 even has 4K video. The Mix Fold 2 only has 1080p, at least from the specs that I'm seeing on GSM Arena's website. And 4K video, you might be like, I never use it. Hopefully you do use it, because when you do 4K video on any of your devices, 4K is a lot better resolution than 1080. It might be hard to see on these small screens, but I will tell you, as time goes on, you will notice huge leaps and bounds in 5 or 10 years even. You're gonna look at video that you recorded on your phone and you're gonna have wished you at least had done it on 4K video. And I do quite a bit of video on my front camera because I can see the display, and you can do it. There's a trick, you can see it on both displays, but ultimately I still do it on my front display, and that's a nice little thing to have. So a big win, I feel like, in my book, having 4K video on this front camera. Number 4 is pretty big as well, and that is S Pen. The Galaxy Z Fold 4, even the Z Fold 3, has an S Pen. Now, to be fair, S Pen does not get inserted into the phone, but you can get a case, especially if you did the pre-order, a case comes with the Z Fold 4 to house the S Pen on the back of the phone to easily use it, and it allows you to write on the display of the phone, to take notes or to draw or to color or to paint. So work or pleasure, it works, and that's something the Mix Fold 2 does not have. I'll be honest, in my book, I'm not a huge S Pen person, but it's a nice thing to at least have the ability to have that. I know a lot of people live and die by the S Pen, and this is a big, big win, I feel like, for the Z Fold 4 to have over the Mix Fold 2. Number 5 is kind of another big one, at least for some people, and that is that the Mix Fold 2 does not have wireless charging. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 has wireless charging and wireless power share. So you can charge your phone wirelessly on a wireless charging pad, or you can charge a device on the back of your Galaxy Z Fold 4 to charge that up. So it does it both ways, which is absolutely amazing and a big important feature for a lot of people to have. Some people don't always want to have to plug in their phone to charge it. Kind of weird that the Mix Fold 2 doesn't have wireless charging, but I think it's because they're trying to keep the phone really, really thin. And obviously, by cutting out that part, you're able to also reduce the cost of the phone. So Galaxy Z Fold 4, I feel like, takes the win on that. And the last one, the bonus one, is the Z Fold 4 you can buy pretty much anywhere in the world. The Mix Fold 2, you can only buy it in China. Now, don't get me wrong, you can import it, and I have a link down below, so even though you live anywhere basically in the world, you can still import it. But the Z Fold 4, really, you can buy it pretty much anywhere in the world from any place in your country. And the Mix Fold 2, you'll have to import it, and when you import devices, obviously there's a cost added to it. There's, it starts off at about $1,399 or so, but online to import it, it's up to $17.99. So it's like a $400 increase. Now you might look at that and be like, big deal, I still get an amazing, amazing phone. And I'm not saying it's not a bad idea to do that, but ultimately you're still having to pay more. The other part of that is the radios built into the Mix Fold 2 might not be fully compatible with all the radios that are available to you from your cell carrier where you live. I know when I picked up the this phone, the Vivo X Fold, this is a Chinese model. It works on LTE. If I remember correctly, 5G works as well, but it just doesn't get as fast as my other phones. It doesn't have all the radios. So that could be a major thing that would turn you off as well, that the Z Fold 4 can be purchased basically anywhere, has all the radio support that you need, and the Mix Fold 2 doesn't. So there you guys go. There's a bunch of things that the Z Fold 4 has in terms of features that the Mix Fold 2 doesn't. If I missed something, leave it in the comments down below. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.